We can perform various operations with strings and characters in C#. Here's an outline of what we are going to learn in this chapter. Converting chars to integers. Adding strings together. Strings as a char array. Converting any type of data to a string. All characters have their numeric value, ASCII codes. For example, the letter A can be expressed as number 97 as per its ASCII code. Letter B has a value of 98 and so on. Of course, there is no need to memorizing the value of each character, but it's important to comprehend how conversion works. Let's see the conversion in action. Let's break down our code. First, we declared a variable of char type with the name x, containing a value as a. Next, we declared another variable, of type integer this time, and assigned it the integer value of the variable x, which is 97 according to ASCII. You are probably wondering, how does the conversion process work? Let's see. We declared a variable of char type, x. Then, we had the value of 97 converted to a character. It's possible to add strings together as well. We call it the process of concatenation. It may sound weird, but it makes sense indeed. Also, it comes in handy when you need to make up a sentence out of different words. Let's see how it looks. We have combined two string variables to make up a full name. But wait, we forgot the space. Let's fix it. Now the result is exactly what we are looking for. We added the space by in the middle to make it right. Keep in mind that the plus operator is used to concatenate strings. However, it doesn't add the space by itself. Therefore, we need to do it manually. That's it. Let's go further. Also, the same operator when used with numerical variables shall perform an addition operation. Imagine we need to access a single letter from a word that is stored in a string type of variable. What can we do? We need to use the string as an array. You may be bewildered like, what is an array? Don't worry. We'll discuss them later. For now, just keep in mind that it's a group of like-typed variables that are referred to by a common name. Let's see an example. But it shouldn't. Because indexation in C# starts from 0. Our output is the first character f. If our index was 1 instead of 0, the output would be the second character in the word, which is r. You'll get used to the indexing rules as you move ahead. That is extremely useful and handy because knowing the basics of text editing is useful when you write any type of program with a user interface. Also, one thing you need to remember is that string is just an array of characters that can be accessed whenever you want. You are about to learn a crucial method associated with strings. This method will be used almost in every program. In C#, you can convert almost any type of data to string type even if it was stored in a variable, of type integer, decimal, character, or any other. You just have to add magical method to string. Let's jump on an example. A equals 58. Let's see another example where we'll deliberately make a mistake to show the importance of the ToString method. This code won't compile and hence, won't work. Without using the ToString method, our code will throw an exception because we are not allowed to add an integer and a string value without having them converted. Awesome! Now you know operations with words and characters that you can use in your future programs. A good programmer must know the basics of string operations in C#. Well done.